everybody gets free website hosting when they sign up for AllProWebTools. As part of this, they also get the website editor. With the website editor, it's possible to create pages that redirect someplace else when users click on the link. There are a couple situations where you may want to set up a redirect on your website. For example, if you want an option on your menu bar to link to a product you have listed on an Amazon store, that would be one example of setting up a redirect page. Another example might be if you used AllProWebTools to create a sign-up box, but then put that sign-up box on a WordPress site. The sign-up box will still need to use an AllProWebTools page as the thank you page, but then you can set that thank you page to simply redirect back to your WordPress site. To set up a redirect, I'm going to go into Website and My Webpages. I could select an existing page and change that to redirect to someplace else, but for now I'm going to create a new page. For this example, I'm going to create a menu option that redirects to Google when you click on it. To set up the redirect, I'm going to click on the Settings tab and see the item titled Redirect This Page. The No option is grayed out, so right now it's not redirecting. I can click Yes, and now some extra redirect settings have appeared for me to change. For the redirect location, I need to put in the URL of where I want this page to go. So I'm going to open up a new tab and go to Google, and I'm going to copy this URL and paste it into the redirect location. I did that to make sure I grabbed the full URL, including the HTTPS at the beginning. Since I put in a URL for the redirect location, I do not need to worry about this page type. In fact, the correct way to use this page type will be covered in another video. The last piece is this Open this page in a new tab option. I can decide whether this page opens up in a new tab or not when somebody clicks on it. Typically, if the link is going to someplace that is not your website, you can set this to open up in a new tab. Otherwise, if the link is going to stay on your website, you should set this so that it does not open a new tab. For this page, I do want this option to appear in my menu bar, so I'm going to click Show. If instead I were creating a thank you page for a sign-up box, like I mentioned earlier, I would want to set that to hide so that it does not appear on the menu bar. Now that I've double-checked that setting, I can go ahead and click Save, and click the Preview button to look at my website. Notice on the menu bar I now have an option called Google. And if I click on this option, it'll open up the Google site on a separate tab, just like I set it up to do.